So friends, the market has crashed a lot in the last few days. In fact, whole of the month of the March, the market has actually crashed. This crash was due to the coronavirus fear as well as due to the oil price fight. So you are getting stocks at a price much lower than they were trading few months ago. So these are the opportunities. This type of markets do not come every time, my dear friends. ऐसे बाजार बार बार नहीं आता है मेरे दोस्तों. So in this video, I'll show you how you can try to catch the exact bottom and exact top of the market. And I'll also show you a strategy. This strategy actually I have seen in a video by Prateek Singh. And the name of the video was Newton Cycle Investing. So I thought that I'll be sharing the same strategy with you guys. So what does this strategy do? This strategy actually invests equity in the low markets, and whenever the markets are higher, it actually exits the equity and invests in debt. So it is very simple technique. जब भी बाजार नीचे हो आप इक्विटी में इन्वेस्ट करें, और जब भी बाजार ऊंचा हो आप इक्विटी से एग्जिट करें और डेट में एंट्री ले. So you will always be in some positions either in equity or in debt, and whenever the market will be lower you will be in equity, and wherever the market will be higher you will actually exit equity and you will enter debt. So whenever the market once again comes to the lower side, you can exit the debt and you can enter into equity, and you can make huge amount of money if you follow this technique. And my dear friends, I'll show you how you can actually make rupees 62 lakhs. Yes my dear friends, 62 lakhs आपको 62 लाख बन सकता है just from an investment of rupees 1,20,000. So friends, let me discuss the Newton cycle investing strategy. But before that, let me give you a short intro of mine. Hello friends, I am Indrajit Mukherjee from StockManiacs.net. If you want to grow your wealth from the stock and commodity markets, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon. You can also send me your stock market related queries through WhatsApp in my number +91 96743 21856. Now my dear friends, what is market cycle? Previously also I have made videos on the market cycle, and if you follow this chart you will be understanding what a market cycle is. So this is actually Nifty Next 50 index chart, and I prefer Nifty Next 50 than Nifty in this strategy, as said by Mr. Prateek Singh, because the return is pretty higher. So you can invest in Nifty Next 50 index whenever it is on the down cycle. You can see market is at the bottom, and you can see after that ऊपर ही जा रहा है, ऊपर ही जा रहा है, ऊपर ही जा रहा है. So this is the top of the market. So once again the cycle became down, market came down. Once again ऊपर ही जा रहा है, ऊपर ही जा रहा है, ऊपर ही जा रहा है. Once again we are coming down, and then we are once again going up, and then we are making the top. So you can see my dear friends, the cycle is very clear. Cycle is up and then down, then up and then down, and then up, and now once again down. But whenever you are in the real life, can you predict whether you are on the top of the market or the bottom of the market? So in this video I'll show you how you can exactly predict. When you can exactly predict, suppose you are here and you can predict and anticipate a fall beforehand. So you can actually exit equity and you can enter into debt. And once again, whenever you are at this point, you can actually predict whether you are at the bottom of the market or still the bottom is to be made. And if you can predict, you can actually exit debt and you can once again enter equity. So once again you are going up, so you can exit equity and you can enter into debt. Once again the cycle is down, you can exit debt and enter equity. Once again up, and so on. Now I'll show you what is the result if you can predict just as the Newton cycle investing says. So let me show you an Excel sheet. So my dear friends, this Newton cycle has actually predicted these things. In September 2001, it has actioned a buy. So if we buy this Nifty Next 50 index or its index fund, we can invest in any index fund. So the price was around 1080. If we have invested 20,000 rupees on this index fund, we have got this amount of quantity. Once again in March 2002, we have got a buy signal. We have once again invested 20,000 rupees at the price of 1,500. So we got this much of quantity. Once again, it has signaled a buy at January 2005. So we have once again invested 20,000 rupees at a price of 4,250. We have got this amount of quantity. Once again, we have got a buy signal on October 2005 and we have bought 20,000 rupees at the price of 4,750. So we have got this amount of quantity. In June 2006, we have got another buy signal. So we have invested 20,000 rupees again at a price of 5,200. You can see, my dear friends, we have invested 5 times. We have never got a sell signal. So we have invested 1 lakh rupees in 5 times. So in the November 2007, we have got a signal to sell. The price was at 11,500. So it is a hopping gain. And we have sold our quantities and the total value of the sale was 5,13,066. So you can see, my dear friends, within the 6 years, 1 lakh rupees has already become 5 lakh rupees. So we have got this amount of quantity. In October 2008, we have got another buy signal. So the price has now come down to 6,800 and we have reinvested this amount that we have sold. So we have reinvested this amount and we have got this amount of quantity. In October 2008, once again, we have got another buy signal at 4,300 level. So we invested another 20,000 rupees. So we have got this amount of quantity. So in September 2010, we have got another sell signal. Price was 12,300. So we have sold and we have got more than 9,85,000 rupees at that time. Total quantity we sold was 80.10. In August 2013, we have got another buy signal at the price of 10,500 and so we have reinvested the amount that we have previously sold. So we have got this amount of quantity, 93.83. And finally, my dear friends, in October 2017, we have actually sold at 28,800 level. So you can see, my dear friends, the investment is now grown to 50 lakhs 9,351. So it is a hopping gain. So since then we are actually holding debt. So these 50 lakhs 9,351 rupees has been transferred to a debt fund on October 2017 and now it is March 2020. So we are holding that debt fund and the total value after the interest of the debt fund is now 62 lakhs 19,432 rupees. So my dear friends, you can see actually you have total invested 6 times 20,000 each. So your total investment is only rupees 1,20,000 and the current value from 2001 to 2020, the current value is 62 lakhs 19,432 rupees. So 1,20,000 rupees has grown to 62 lakhs 19,432. But how was that possible? How exactly you have got these buy and sell signals? You need to learn it from the Newton cycle investing theory. Now my dear friends, what exactly is this Newton cycle investing? So Newton cycle investing actually identifies the market cycles very precisely. It identifies the market tops and bottoms correctly and you can actually invest as discussed in the Excel sheet. So you can invest in equity market whenever the market is extreme low and you can exit the equity, and you can invest in debt whenever the market is at extreme high. So from where actually I have got this theory? Few days back I have seen a video in the Learn app. So there I have seen this video of Prateek Singh, and I thought that I'll be sharing it with you. So let me go to the Learn app site. So friends, you need to remember this link, bit.ly/LEARNAPP1. So bit.ly/LearnApp1. I am repeating once again, bit.ly/LearnApp1, and I'll also give you the link in the video description. So once you put the link on the browser, you need to hit enter. So it will take you to the Learn app website. So there is an option to take free trial. So if you directly go to Learn app website, you will be getting a 7 days trial. But if you go with my link, you will get 3 days extra trial. And with the trial, you can check all the classes, all the courses. So you can click on start trial and log in with your Facebook or Kite, or log in with your Google, or you can also log in with your email address or password. So once you get logged in, you can go to the classes section. So I am already registered with the Learn app website. So I am going to sign in here. So I am entering my email and my password, and I am clicking on login. So I am being redirected to the Learn app website. You can see as I last visited the Newton cycle investing video. So I am back to this video, and in this way you can log into Learn app, you can take a free trial, you can log into Learn app, and you can also watch this video as soon as possible. Now my dear friends, let us watch the trailer of this video, Newton cycle investing, before you proceed to the Learn app website.
There is a pandemic in the world and the markets are crashing, and we want to learn how to invest. So spend the next few minutes with me and I'll teach you a very simple strategy, the Newton cycle strategy, so you can invest for the long term. Let me give you the highlights in the next 1 minute so you know whether it's worth your time. One, we won't be picking stocks. We are only investing in the index, so it's easy to do and very safe because you're not investing in a particular company but a basket of companies. Number two, anyone can start with even 1,000 rupees. Third, it is rule-based. You don't need to come back to me. Once you learn this, you can do it on your own. Here's the idea. We want to invest 100% in equity when markets are in the down cycle. When it's at the highest point in the cycle, you want to take out money from equity.
So friends, this was just a trailer, and the actual video will be much more interesting than the trailer. And I can guarantee you, once you complete watching the full video, you will be able to understand where exactly the market is bottoming and where exactly the market is topping. So you can invest in equity funds in close to the bottom, and you can exit the equity, and you can enter your money into the debt funds near to the top. So in this way you can time the market very sweetly. आपको ऐसा तरीका दूसरा नहीं मिलेगा दोस्तों, और मार्केट अभी बॉटम के बहुत ही नजदीक है. सो ये वीडियो को देखना मत भूलिएगा, न्यूटन साइकिल इन्वेस्टिंग. सो फ्रेंड्स, I have completed today's webinar. If you like today's video, please do not forget to hit the like button. Please also do not forget to share it with your friends, because if you share it, someone else can also be benefited. If you have any queries, just ask me in the comments. I'll try to answer you as early as possible. Friends, thanks a lot for watching this webinar till the end. Bye bye.